Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add shortcut icon for any website to your home screen on OnePlus tab. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome and right here locate the website that you want to add the shortcut for. In this case let's go for HardReset.Info. Then what we need to do is to click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen and scroll down. Here you should be able to find Add to Home Screen. Now you can name the icon however you like. I'm gonna go with Add and then click on Add again. We can go back to our home screen and here's the icon. If you click on it, it should instantly open this website with Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.